These are the best cheap mattresses in 2021. Welcome to Top 10 Mattresses. Up first is the Puffy Memory Foam mattress. Puffy is definitely a firm favourite in our team, consistently coming out on top in our ratings. It works well for all sleep types thanks to its 10 inches of memory foam and fits on all bed frames. You get 101 nights to try it out at home, as well as a lifetime warranty to keep you covered for as long as you own it. It comes with a built-in cooling layer and temperature regulation, making sure you don't overheat whilst you sleep. This is especially helpful for those living in warmer climates, as it can help you cool even through the warmer months. Next up is the EcoTerra beds. The EcoTerra mattress is handcrafted with pure 100% natural latex, a fabric-encased coil core for optimal spinal support, and a soft organic cotton cover created with breathable organic cotton and pure organic wool. You get the unmatched comfort of natural latex and the superior support that can only be achieved through the uniquely heat-treated and stress-relieved steel coils. Your back, hips, and shoulders will fall into perfect alignment in any position, meaning that you get deeper, more comfortable rest. And finally, we have the Nectar Memory Foam. Nectar is one of the most well-known brands on the market right now when it comes to mattresses, so you know that you'll be purchasing something high quality. Their Queen mattress is a memory foam mattress, so is great for those who love to really sink into their bed whilst they sleep. There are 4 foam layers with built-in cooling technology, and the cover is designed to help circulate air whilst you sleep. Nectar mattresses come with a 365-night sleep trial to make sure they are the right mattress for you, as well as a forever warranty that covers your mattress for as long as you own it. They also offer free delivery and return, so there are no extra costs. It is best suited to people of larger build, as it may be too firm for those who weigh under 120 pounds, as you won't experience the sinkage you're likely looking for. Thanks for watching. Links to all of the products are in the description down below. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section and leave a like if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.